Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share this Starlink action figure unboxing that I got from SpaceX.com through their shop link. And pretty much what Starlink is, I'm gonna read it. It says Starlink is the world's first and largest satellite constellation using a low Earth orbit to deliver broadband internet capable of supporting streaming, online gaming, video calls, and a lot more. And one of the ways that I've seen people use it is on tiny homes. I've seen people install it on their tiny homes so they can have internet access on the go wherever they go, even like on trailers. And I think people are getting creative, and you can start seeing them just about in like multiple different places. But it's meant, I think, mostly to provide internet in places where you don't get any fiber optic or DSL. That's like older internet. But if you don't have internet access, like people have like in the cities, and you live like in like farm or just places where you don't have internet access, Starlink is typically a really good option because you're getting internet from a satellite service. And yeah, so we got this Starlink action figure, which is it's pretty much a collectible for any like fans of Starlink. And the one that I got came pretty damaged. I usually buy things from SpaceX, and I like my items to be in good condition, but this one unfortunately came damaged. But it's okay. I reached out to SpaceX, and we were able to get a resolution for this. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it up just so you can see what it's like. And by the way, this costs $40 if anyone's interested. It says, "Thank you for making Starlink a reality, connecting humanity and building our path to Mars," which is pretty cool. So let me see if I can open this the best as possible. I know I already messed up, but it's okay. There you go. So as we're opening it, one of the nice cool little details that we're seeing is a cat, or like little figurines or pictures of cats right here, as you guys can see. I don't know if anyone in the comments can tell us why SpaceX chose to add these little cats here. It's pretty funny. It's cool. So that's what it is. So so let's see if we can put this together. We got the base. We got the satellite here. And then, I'm not sure what this is, but see if I can put it together. I'm guessing this goes, well, let's see. I think this goes here. No, not this. So we finally got it figured out. We found that there's two different configurations that you can do. So the first one is with the base, and then what you do, you just put this on top, and then the satellite right here. So you have the base, and you can kind of tilt it around, move it to different angles right here. And then this one over here, same thing. Put this on top, and then the satellite on top, or not the satellite, but the antenna And then the cool thing is that this is a magnet. So for example, we're gonna go ahead and try it out here in the fridge. It magnetizes and then kind of move your little Starlink, kind of move it around. And again, you can kind of keep it there. Just it's pretty cool just to have it there on decoration, or you put it somewhere else wherever there's like magnets. And then you got your, I don't know what this is, but this is kind of like part of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.